Hello everyone, today we have an IS300 update. Finally got the car into the building on the lift. Determined that the number 6, I believe, far side, or 1, I haven't looked, I don't know which one is which, but the far cylinder is confirmed to have rod knock. There's play in the piston and rod assembly. Got everything prepped for removal. Got the new motor coming on Monday. Today is Thursday, so I'm hoping by Monday night, Tuesday, I have the new motor in. So 2J prices are no longer what they used to be. They're now like $4,000 shipped and up due to the market and prices in Japan and whatever else. So I found one for $3,700 shipped with ECU and automatic transmission, which is basically the best price on the internet today or this week that I found. So I'm going to sell this motor. There's a lot of interest in this motor, this long block, even though it has a bottom end knock. So I'm going to recoup some costs that way. Hopefully someone will buy the auto trans. Spark plug covers go for quite a bit if I don't sell the whole thing together, but that's what we got so far. AC, I'm going to hopefully leave the compressor in there. I think there's hopefully a way to pull the motor and then leave that in like most vehicles. I think I found the source of the issue. Upon inspection, this vacuum hose at the fuel pressure regulator was basically like that. So that could have contributed to a lean condition, no fuel, detonation, rod knock, boom. These vacuum hoses, they're just standard rubber. They're pretty hard, like this one even, you can see is cracking too, right there. That went into, I think, a T. I think I cut this one. Either way, all these vacuum hoses are super hard. So I'd recommend obviously using silicone in today's day and age because a simple little vacuum hose cost a motor, probably. No facts or evidence around this other than this, which would not supply the correct fuel pressure under boost. Toyota motors are pretty stout, so it's not like it would just fail out of nowhere unless it was ran low on oil, which it wasn't, which directs me back to the fuel pressure issue. So that's just a quick update. I am going to be selling the vehicle in a running condition. Price-wise, I'm not sure yet, but a few people said 15 was too high. So I guess that's the starting point. We'll go from there. There's a lot of good parts on it. Like I said, I'll do a walk-around video when I'm done and it's running and everything. But the bumper obviously has little issues. The hood has rock chips and all that. I can get it painted for the next buyer if they are interested. Or, could just leave it and let them do whatever they want with it. So I'll get this out, and then next video hopefully will be probably Monday. I'm kind of comparing the new motor, doing a rundown video on the new motor and comparing and all that and good stuff. So we'll get this out, and then should be running in no time.